Bro, what is your ally doing? He's invading me.
Well, things change. We're allies, but we need your land. Simple. Good luck.
Y'all could have just asked.
Okay. Suggestions.
Peace, no war?
How? Expanding is necessary. I can't get to Russia. Okay, I see. Enough.
Betrayal.
Not a betrayal. Things change. UK understands. Good luck.
UK what?
All good. Enjoy. YPU go through Portugal. This is poorly written. I can't read this. Try again later.